Live conservation at the Museum of Fine Arts offers an unique opportunity to see and interact with an art conservator on site. Many museums offer similar experience with variable levels of proximity. Here, there is no glass window or rigid barriers blocking the visitor from seeing closely the work of art and engage in a conversation with the art conservator. For most visitors, this is their first time seeing conservation of an art object happening in real time. Others imagine conservation as something almost surgical, made under the microscope, surrounded by other laboratorial apparatus. We're able to give a less high-tech setting, still abiding to safety rules and high ethics standards. Methodology, techniques, materials, and objectives of the treatment are the frequent topics of these conversations. Not rarely, the art conservator learns something new. As in every scientific experiment, the treatment of the shrine results in more questions than definitive answers. The reveal of pigments hidden behind the aged shellacked varnish raises doubts about the date and origins of the underneath paint. How old is really the shrine? How many hands and skillful artists were involved in its creation? And where in India was it fabricated? Answers will likely emerge from a team of various professionals involved, like historians and scientists, who combine their expertise to analyze such a beautiful and complex object.